Alright guys, what's going on? John back here with another video. Now, I am in a different setting right now. I am not home, so the video is going to be a little bit different today. It's going to be more of a daily vlog, like lifestyle type video. Not so much about cars, but I'm going to try and include cars as much as I can because I don't have my car with me. My girlfriend had surprised me with a Airbnb here in Catskills in New York. So I'll show you guys around a little bit. I mean, you're just watching my video, you know the vibe. So yeah, view out here. Got a nice little lake out there. This is like a little living area. Oh, there's a deck out here, and then there's actually a hot tub around the corner, which is cool. A kitchen. Got to do some dishes, you know the vibe. Bathroom, okay. We won't talk about that. Shower, nice. We're gonna talk about the bedroom. Kind of a mess, but no worries. And there's another bedroom right here, which is cool. So yeah, nothing crazy, but it's also really sick because it's got a hot tub. It's got a nice kitchen. It's got a nice bedroom and a nice bathroom. So really, what more could you ask for, right? We're gonna head out. We're gonna go grab some coffee right now, and we're gonna get the show on the road because we're slacking out here. We're gonna enjoy the day here out in the Catskills, in the middle of New York, because why not, right? Also, if you're wondering where I got this shirt from, this sweatshirt, my girlfriend made it. Also, there goes happy birthday. It's my birthday tomorrow, so yeah, that's why she put this up. And that's why we're here in the Catskills, because it's my birthday tomorrow. Yeah, we're gonna get on the road. We're gonna hop in her TDI, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit about the TDI, I guess, right? So we got the TDI here. Also, yo, check out this other Airbnb right next to us. They got this sauna outside. I mean, that's not so sick. I wanna go in it really bad. This is what it's like out here in the Catskills. It's kind of sick. I've been here like once. This is the house from the outside. It doesn't look like anything insane, but it's nice. It's pretty. It's cute. It's small.
Now time to start up the diesel.
Time to start up the diesel. This is Tasha's 2013 TDI.
You get in the car and it's really cold because it's a leather seat and it's 20 degrees
Stop flexing the leather. Next.
Clutch in.
Clutch in. She just wants to make sure you guys know
Neutral.
that she drives the manual.
Key in.
Key in
Turn
the
it.
ignition.
Glow plug light.
Glow plug light right there. A little lasso type deal.
It went away, but I usually give it a couple seconds.
Gotta warm the glows. Right,
but just so you know, it's 30 degrees.
Nobody cares. Start. Look at that. Can't even hear it. Go get some coffee, guys. Oh, she's revving it while it's cold. We won't talk about that, though.
You get my red?
Yeah, we got the red. Don't you worry. Oh, baby, it's cold in here.
Yep.
Gotta put the heated seats on, guys. If you don't have heated seats,
Get out.
get out of my house.
Goodbye.
Goodbye. So yeah, this is coming out of the Airbnb. But like, look how sick that thing is. I want that. It's a sauna. But yeah, this is the house right here that we're staying in.
Cabin.
Has a garage, cabin, whatever. Not really a cabin. Fire pit right there.
Look at that.
Oh, we're going through some ice. We're on a dirt road here. But yeah, what's not to like about, you know, woods?
Show them that.
Look at those mountains, boys and girls. Probably just my mom and my sister. Blow it up.
And me.
Yep, and you. All right, vlog. We're doing vlogception. She's vlogging, I'm vlogging. We're at the coffee shop now. Head in there, grab some coffee. We're in the middle of nowhere right now, honestly. So if I don't get this video posted and somebody finds this camera, yeah, like, we're in this like little ass town. I don't think there's any type of cops or anything around. We got Hempire here. I'm not going to Hempire, but I'm going to a coffee place, not Hempire.
Stop.
Yeah, nope. Yo, what's going on, guys? We're back here with the coffee on there looking like an idiot, straight idiot. I'm like, yeah, what kind of syrups you guys got? They're like, none. Should have known because we're out here in the middle of nowhere. Here we got Hunter Bill rolling out. Anyways.
Starting up the diesel.
It tastes honestly bussin'. I just put simple syrup. Honestly, it tastes bussin'. All I did was put simple syrup in it, and it's bussin'.
I got mine.
Oat milk. Oh wait, did we ask you? Nope, didn't. Delete.
I got mine with oat milk and steamed with maple syrup.
We'll give her a taste test next, see which one's better. But yeah, catch you guys at the house. Peace. Alright guys, so just to update back on the vlog, we're going to get into this video, and what we're going to be doing is we're going to see how fast is a Volkswagen Jetta TDI that is stock. Now, I'm working with what I got here because I don't have any of my cars. Luckily, we got my girlfriend's TDI, so we're going to be testing out how fast this thing really is. We're going to do some polls, maybe get her to do a dig. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see what we can get. But we're going to test it out and see how fast they can really be stock. I don't think it's going to be anything crazy, but hey, you never know. Also, if you're new here, go ahead and drop a like and a comment, and don't forget to subscribe. I'm uploading daily vlogs every single day, so I hope everybody that's been staying with it and being consistent with watching the vlogs, I hope you guys are enjoying them. I'm having a lot of fun making them. We'll get into the video shortly. We're just cleaning up some breakfast, and see you guys in the car. we're gonna get into this video. We're gonna go see how fast a stock Volkswagen Jetta can actually be. Now, you know, they can be decently quick. They have a decent amount of torque, and we'll go over some of the specifications once we get into the car. And this specific one is a Volkswagen Jetta 2013 TDI manual, 6-speed. We're gonna see if it puts you back in your seat, if it's one of these slowest vehicles, if it's slower than a Civic. I don't know. We'll find out very soon. Side note, look at this fire I made. This thing is beautiful. It's booming. This is the view out here. It's absolutely gorgeous out here. Yeah, super beautiful. I'm pretty pumped. Babe, say hi to the vlog.
Hey.
All right, we're out here. We're gonna get this review going. I guess we're gonna see how fast this thing can go. Not really. We're not gonna do like a top speed run or anything like that. We'd need a whole like 3 airstrips to do that. All right, guys. So now getting into the actual video here.
You hear those noises, right?
There's some weird clunky noises going down.
That's what I'm talking about.
We're not gonna worry about that though, because it's a Jetta.
Also, every time I put in the clutch or press the gas pedal, it goes.
It does not go. It goes like, it's more like a
It's
clunk.
like clunk. Yeah, it's like.
All right, so yeah, we're gonna see if this thing actually is fast. We're gonna do like a little, not even a first gear pull because it just goes nowhere in first. We'll do like second to third gear pull, like here. Let me just wait for everybody to pass by. Honestly, if I started flooring it out, I probably wouldn't even reach 60 by the time we pass it. All right, so we're gonna do a second gear to third gear pull, and we're going 20 at like 1900 RPMs. Let's see what it does. Ready? 3, 2. I'm flooring it. All right, torque is coming up. All right, shifting, third gear, and 60. Woo! Third gear ripping right now still. All right, we're hitting 80 in a second. Woo! What a pull. This thing's got balls, man. Overall, guys, if you plan on getting a Volkswagen TDI, I want you to know that you should not be getting it for speed whatsoever. You're not getting it for speed. That's just not happening. You're gonna get it for fuel economy. You're gonna get it to use diesel because F gasoline, right? And then next, you're gonna get it for maybe the torque. You know, maybe you like the torque. I think it makes like, oh, it's 39 degrees. The Volkswagen always has to let you know when it's 39 degrees precise. I mean, it has decent torque. I don't even know what it makes. I think it makes like, I wanna say like almost 200 torque, but I'm not really positive. So like to the wheels, that means like it's probably making like 150 or like 160 torque. So for like this little thing, that's all right. Wheel horsepower wise, probably not much, but we won't talk about that because that's not important. What is important is how economical this thing is right here. Now, if you wanted it to sound sick as F, you would delete the DPF and the EGR, but that's off-road use only. You could not do that. That is not advice for you to take because that's illegal. She's still covered in her warranty, so she's not gonna be doing that anytime soon. Actually, anytime at all. She's never doing that. Ever. EPA. We're gonna do another pull here. Go ahead and downshift this shit. We're gonna go right around this turn here, and we're gonna see what she does. We're gonna do third gear pull this time. We're gonna do a 0 to 60. We're gonna need a real long stretch of road for a 0 to 60 in this thing. It takes a little bit to get there. I don't think you have to worry about speeding tickets in this thing. If anything, you gotta worry about going too slow. I don't know, man. I don't know, fam. This thing just ain't it when it comes to speed. All right, here we go. Perfect. It's a little bit of an uphill, but you know, it's fine. All right, bad launch. All right, torque is there. We're ripping up this hill. And 60.
So 10 seconds.
It was like 11, I think. That's pretty impressive, honestly. That's pretty good.
I honestly thought it was gonna be 16 to like 18.
No, I'm playing. I mean, 10 to 11 seconds, 0 to 60 is something else. I've never driven a car that slow. Honestly, me and her roll raced. I was in my dad's Civic. It was like it's a 2012 Coupe Civic, and she was in this thing. We did a roll race. We did like a 40 roll, I think, and I gapped her. Not even gapped her. I pulled away from her in the Civic, which is so funny. Like, I've never raced 2 really slow cars until then, but boy, was that so fun. That was honestly the funniest race I've ever seen in my life. We're gonna turn around. We're gonna go back on the like little straightaway road there, and we're gonna do some flybys. I'm gonna have her drive, do some flybys so she can hear her little diesel car ripping around. You know the vibe. Guys, I don't know if you could see it, but there's black squirrel right there. Hi, buddy.
Hi, buddy.
Black squirrel, guys. That's good luck. Next. All right, guys, so I'm gonna have her do some drive-bys in the Jetta, and we're gonna see how it sounds from that side and see how fast it looks. Jetta TDI, baby. Boy, is that thing slow. Also, I'm literally out here in the middle of nowhere. I'm not even gonna cap, guys. You have no idea. Look at this really out here in the middle of nowhere type gent. All right, guys, here comes the Jetta again, baby. Woo! Boy, is that thing slow, and also has really absolutely no sound. You gotta get that thing to have some sound because it is entirely too quiet, all right? But unfortunately, you know what we have to do. We gotta do some suspicious stuff to get to have some sound, but that's all right. All right, guys, so that's gonna do it for this video. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Hope you guys liked us ripping her little TDI. If there's any other TDI comment, if there's any other TDA, if there's any more TDI content you guys wanna see from her Volkswagen, please drop a comment down below. We'll do content with it, I don't really care. We'll slam it. It's already got coilovers right now, but if there's any other mods that you guys suggest for a TDI, drop them down below. We'll mod it out, do whatever we gotta do. Trying to blow up, you know? But yeah, so like I said, we couldn't make a video with any of my other cars because didn't have them here with us, but we're gonna enjoy the weekend, or the week, I guess, here in the Catskills. We're not here for a week, only a few days. That's about it, guys. I'll catch you guys in the next one. Hope you guys enjoyed. Leave a like, go comment down below, subscribe, put the notification bell on. Daily vlogs every single day. Catch you guys later. Peace.